Hey, hi. Um, it's me today. I want to show something to you. Let's just tell a little bit of story around it. So, I'm out in a city in New Zealand, obviously, and I want to see something about the culture, about the Maori culture, learn a little bit something about it, and just get some more information, some more background. So I'm gonna go into one of our nice information sites, into our iSites, and I find lots of flyers. Now, one of them that I find is something like that. It says Maori culture, and I'm interested, so I flick through it and see something about history and showtime, and it's something interactive, and it really sparks my interest, but I would like to learn more before I book. And then I learn and I discover that there is a QR code on that. So what do? I take my phone, I scan the QR code, and that's where I expect something to happen. And usually these days there's a website popping up and I can scroll through and things. But we at Tripod Digital created something that goes beyond that, that takes you right into the scene. So you can imagine being right in there, into that Maori setting, as it would be if I would be live there. So I really get a sneak peek of what there is to expect. And what it looks like, I'd like to share with you now. So hang in there. So now that's the bit I would like to share with you, the active experience. So I scanned that QR code, I landed on a website that tells me it's about the Maori culture. It's obviously just a demo here, but it shows the point. So it's a Maori culture, but it says it takes me into a 360. So I hit OK, and it shows that picture here. And then it tells me to scan the image. And now it's taking me right into the scene. Hey, there is something happening. Stadium atmosphere. So thank you for doing that experience with me, and yeah, see you soon. So did you like it? And that's the amazing thing that mixing augmented reality and print can do. It can convince, it delivers a medium on top of our current existing print medium that can amaze, that can engage, that makes it possible to track the engagement that people have with those kinds of flyers, and that I can actually see as an advertiser or as a tour operator what people are engaging with, how long they're staying there, and it makes them instantly aware what's happening. And me as a tourist, as being there, as wanting to know more, it just helps me make my decision. And I think that's really, really strong. And yeah, we at Tripod Digital, we created a platform that makes creating those experiences super easy, super fast. It scales, everyone can use it. It's just a matter of, yeah, getting there, tapping into it. So thank you for watching, and I hope I hear from you. See you then.